Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing it out of my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, we're going to sit there and have a flashback, and we're going to go and make ourselves a good Jello salad. So, grab a hold of that vine, and let's swing out of my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen, and with grilling season right here upon us, we're all looking for a simple side dish or something to have while we're all grilling out. Well, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to do a pastel jello salad. Now, you're going to need a package of lime jello, and this is the 3-ounce package, and you're going to need a 3-ounce package of the lemon jello. Now let's go ahead, open these all up, and so I'm going to go ahead and add my lime jello. All into my mixer bowl, and now let's go ahead and add all that lemon jello. Now, I'm going to go and grab 2 cups of boiling water. Let's add the 2 cups of boiling water. And we're going to turn our mixer on, and we're just going to continue to stir until all the gelatin and all the sugar inside the jello packages all dissolve up. While I'm waiting for my jello to dissolve, I'm going to sit there and grab 1 package of cream cheese. I'm going to go ahead and open that up and get that all ready. Okay, it seems to me that the jello has been all dissolved, so I'm going to turn off the mixer, and my cream cheese has come to room temperature, so I really don't have to cube it up like what I thought I was going to. We're going to use that to our advantage. I'm going to replace my stirring paddle to go with my whisk. And turn it on and whip it all in. Okay, now I'm going to turn off my mixer. And now we're just going to leave this set for 10 minutes. I'll see you in 10 minutes. 10 minutes have passed. Now let's go ahead and add a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And you're going to be wanting to add 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. And here's the 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. Now let's go ahead, turn the mixer back on, and mix that all up. Now, you're only going to need 8 ounces of the crushed pineapple. Add the juice and all. Let's add the pineapple. Okay, let's turn off our mixer. Now, I grabbed myself up. Oops, I'm sorry if I bumped the camera. You know me, I'm a notorious camera bumper. Now, I grabbed myself out one of my dishes that we're going to be pouring all this into. So, let's go ahead and do that. Let's get it off our mixer and pour it right into our I guess 9 by 13. Okay, now that it's in our pretty little serving dish, go and grab yourself one of them bags of the multicolored marshmallows. Now you're going to need the whole package, and we're going to sprinkle it all over the top. So I want you to do the same thing. And I'll see you when I'm all done. Now, you're going to want to sit there and cover this and refrigerate it until it sets. Okay, well, it's been a few hours in the refrigerator, setting up. Here it is. And now, we're going to sit there and scoop us up some, and we're going to give it a good old taste test. So, I'm just going to go right on in. I mean, look at that. I mean, gorgeous. Look at. I mean, look at how gorgeous. Let me go ahead and go get a spoon, and we're going to sample it. Alright, let's go ahead. Now this is summer. I grew up on Jello salads like this, so I might be rather biased, but this is really good. Bye.
Now, if you liked what you saw here today, please go down below, give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share this recipe with others. And if you're a new subscriber to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit the subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I put out a new video. And happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings, and y'all come back now. You hear?